Hello and welcome from Hikvision. I'm Dan Hawkins and I look after the internal projects here at Hikvision. Today we're going to be looking at what benefits Hik-ProConnect can bring for installers working on recorders in terms of on-site delivery, configuration and maintenance. What is the product? Well, Hik-ProConnect is an application specifically designed for installers. It has both web and mobile versions which can remotely and effectively configure recording devices and monitor the status of those devices. There's no need for installers to be on site to do these configuration jobs after the installation has been signed off. What does it do? When you need to initially commission a system for the first time on site, this platform is powerful enough to install recorders on site in batch and interact closely with the end user's Hik-Connect by sending notifications directly to their mobile devices. This platform normally works with the end user's Hik-Connect and it helps for installers to provide a better service through the benefit of this networking application. So how does it do it? Both the web portal and mobile ends have almost the same functionality, so only one smart device such as a tablet or mobile phone is required for the installer. Let's assume it's the first time for installers to go on site and complete the project delivery. All recorders and cameras have just been installed, brand new out of the box with an inactivation status. Let's look at these demonstration videos. To start with, when using Hik-ProConnect portal or mobile application, make sure the NVR or DVR is in the same LAN with your PC or phone. Then you can click the on-site configuration to do a batch activation for recorders, cameras and assign IP addresses automatically. Similar to our SADP tools. You can also link cameras from the local area network to the recorders you want, which is very straightforward. One of the most important things you can do is configuration for recorders in batch. You just need to configure one recorder, save this as a template, and then generating one template and attaining its corresponding parameters like smart events, recording schedules and image settings. You can then apply this template to all the other recorders with the same platform at the same time. This works not just for the NVRs but also for our cameras too. Our Hik-ProConnect also supports P2P or peer-to-peer service, which does not require port forwarding for the recorders. You just need to input the serial number and verification code of the recorders. So if recorders have already been added by another end user's Hik-Connect, they can still be migrated from Hik-Connect to Hik-ProConnect from either installer or by the end user. So imagine that installers have finished on-site commissioning. After they hand the recorders back to the end users by inputting their contact information such as email or phone number, the end user will receive the request via a notification to accept that migration process. Occasionally the customer may need some support with their equipment but cannot clearly describe what actually their issue is. Normally installers will need to go on site, which can cost a lot of time and money. Now with Hik-ProConnect you can use remote configuration to avoid these cases. So let's have a look at remote configuration. Well, after the installer receives a request from his client to check the system, installers will want to clarify the request by remotely monitoring using live view or playback. Maybe even changing or configuring recorders. Now with Hik-ProConnect, instead of calling with the end users, they just need to click icons and apply permissions. Then a notification will be sent to the end users for approval. The most reasonable benefit of this feature is the approval for those works can be self-defined. After getting an approval from the end user, installers can remotely dial into the web page of recorders to check and change the configuration of things like image, smart event, rules, arming schedules, or linkage actions. Alternatively, they can even link to the camera's web page using a virtual host on an NVR. You can use this to change the image parameters, reset factory settings, or even reboot the device. Also, through dialing into the web front end of recorders, installers can check and export the log data for technical diagnosis. With Hik-ProConnect, maintenance is going to be remote, which is quicker and requires less action for both installers and end users. Installers can upload latest firmware to recorders remotely via Hik-ProConnect rather than going on site, just for this simple operation. In the device's dashboard, if there is more updated firmware available, just one simple click for upgrade and the device will upgrade. Instead of asking end users to export one HTML file and send it back to Hikvision and then transfer back to them, one simple click for password reset will reset the password straight away, saving both the installer and the end user time. Health monitoring is one of the core parts of remote maintenance, and it helps us to be proactive and can provide a quick inspection for devices' network status. Even the exact time and duration of a device which has gone offline can be displayed on Hik-ProConnect. The real-time exception notification from recorders can be sent to both Hik-ProConnect and Hik-Connect, such as a hard drive error, abnormal temperature, or even offline channels. All of these exceptions are stored in the health monitoring module of Hik-ProConnect and can be handled, exported, and sent to both installers and end users in a daily, weekly, or monthly report. Also, when working with Hikvision smart managed switches, Hik-ProConnect can realise remote and real-time network monitoring, such as bandwidth usage, network topology, or any abnormal network statuses. Any offline recorders can be directly shown on the network topology. We can even show which devices are connected to which specific ports of the smart switch, and this can help installers recognise where the offline issue is from either the recorders, from the cameras, or the network itself. If you want to know more on how Hik-ProConnect benefits NVRs and DVRs, please go to the web portal or download the mobile application through the link in the description below. So what are the benefits? Well, overall, Hik-ProConnect can benefit installers through efficient on-site delivery of recorders. It's a convenient and it uses remote configuration, and most importantly, we can receive those real-time health statuses of recorders. There's no need for the installer to change the configuration or do any maintenance on site. Everything can be configured post-commissioning, which can save them a lot of time and money. The features that installers can offer on top of what the competition can is second to none. I hope you found this brief product video useful. Don't forget to visit our website as shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you want more information, including additional demonstration videos, search Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube, and you'll find an ever-expanding library of short guides to choose from. Bye for now.